How to fix AEG dryer E60 error code. So guys, the E60 means there's an insufficient heat, usually caused by a blocked fluff filter, dirty condenser, poor ventilation, or really a faulty heating element. So guys, how can you fix this? The first thing is to simply improve your ventilation and the placement of your dryer. So basically, check the placement, ensure at least 10 to 15 centimeters clearance around the sides and back, so you're not putting your dryer in a cabinet, and also move it into an open area if you need to. Good room ventilations help prevent the E60 error code. All right, now another thing you can try is to clean the fluff filter. So simply deep clean the fluff filter by pulling it out from the door or from the bottom, rinse it under warm water, brush off lint, dry it fully, and then reinstall it. So this is basically what you're dragging out of your dryer, and then simply taking out the lint or any debris. All right, and then the next step is to clean the condenser. So open up the bottom front flap, pull out the condenser unit, rinse it thoroughly, and then run it under water to remove any lint, debris. Shake it till it's dry, and then slide it back in securely. So basically, you're taking it out of the bottom corner of your dryer. And then last but not least, test the dryer. So plug it back in, run a short timed dry cycle that's empty. After 15 to 20 minutes, open the door inside and it should feel warm. And then simply wipe the door seal, that's this seal here, and then the drum for any lint that may be just outside of your dryer. And now, if this doesn't work, if the E60 still shows up, you may need to call a technician to get your heating element looked at. So basically, in most cases, you can resolve the E60 by just cleaning the device. If it doesn't work, please call a technician. Thank you.